What is it? What is it?
He's very cold. Oh. Can you give him first aid?
You're a nurse now. One. I'm a chemist. You are a nurse. You just give him this thing. Give him this thing.
It's like this man, I don't know what to do.
My God. Sorry. I'm dying.
I'm not going to What do we do now?
Oh my God.
Sorry. There's the chemist I know. Let's go. Sorry. We are almost there.
Which drug will I even give to this woman that is having arthritis?
Are you playing? What type of playing
You
is
see
this?
this one that they told me that.
Oh my God! Wow!
I made this mistake. I gave this boy something that nearly killed him. This work, I want to kill another person.
Things say they why? Why are you running? Why running?
I want to act another problem. But please, this one, if I minister this thing on this patient, let it work. Hey! The function works. I know. This prayer to work. To work in Jesus' name.
Oga chemist, please help us.
What is it? What is it?
We are still waiting for our These are our patients. Please help us. Can you give him first aid? Please.
Oh God.
First aid? How is he doing you this much? Wait.
Okay, can we start? It's not there now. Oh God.
Okay, please, let me. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Put down now. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. How is it doing you? How is it doing you?
My stomach.
Your stomach?
Stomach, yes.
Stomach.
Yes. Yes, my head.
Your head.
Yes. Oh, even my hand.
Your hand.
My hand. Killing me. God, please. Do something.
Is there another place?
My back.
Your back.
My back. Oh, I'm dying.
What about this one? Is it working well?
What?
Is this one working well?
Don't go there. God, chemist.
So let me give you a gonge.
Don't go there. God, chemist.
So,
dying here.
I don't know. What? You say it is doing your
My head is
stomach, your back,
my back, my nose,
and this for your nose.
I can't breathe well.
Nurse, I don't know. Can you come? Just pick the one that can take care of the
Are you sure this chemist knows something I've done? If you do something, I'm dying here. Are you sure he knows what he's doing? Are you sure you know your work? I'm dying. Do something. Okay, chemist, do something now.
Nurse, see, you give him this thing. No, I will not be the one to give him. I suggest you give him.
But
I will not give him. What be you select
The
am?
chemist man, the chemist.
Okay,
Same
but
with
you're a nurse now. As one, I'm a chemist. You're a nurse. You just give him this thing.
Where did you people even bring me?
Give him this thing. What do you mean? You are the one that selected it. Okay, you want me to be the one to kill him?
yes, nice shop.
Madam, give him. Oh, you select her. I be make I collect my drug. You don't go give him. You don't go give him. I'll collect my drug. Let this one don't die here. See, I'll go. Carry the drug and the flight from this guy. Carry him, then go now, carry him. Get well.
I wonder, I assisted him. I don't even know. Sorry.
You know, train nurse cannot treat you. It's me that is chemist that will treat. If I carry this one, don't make me come handcuff me so I kill somebody.